Use source transformation to find VO in the circuit of figure. We have to find this VO in this circuit using source transformation. Solution. First of all, we will redraw the circuit. Now we will convert this dependent voltage source into dependent current source. This dependent voltage source is in series with this 2 kilo ohm resistor. So the dependent current source will be in parallel with this 2 kilo ohm resistor. So here this will be a current source. The direction of that dependent current source will be in this direction, and this will be current is equal to I is equal to V by R. V is 3VO. So 3VO divided by R is 2 kilo ohm. So 2 kilo ohm. So this will be 3 by 2000 or 3 VO by 2 kilo ohm. Now as we can see that this 2 kilo ohm parallel with 4 kilo ohm. So this will be 2 kilo ohm parallel with 4 kilo ohm will be 2 into 4 divided by 2 plus 4. So it is 4 by 3 kilo ohm. So this will be 4 by 3 kilo ohm. 4 by 3 kilo ohm. Now again we will convert this dependent current source into its equivalent voltage source. So here this will be dependent voltage source. The polarity of this dependent voltage source will be, this will be positive and this will be negative according to the direction of this dependent current source. So V is equal to I into R. I is 3VO by 2 kilo ohm into R is 4 by 3 kilo ohm. So this will be, this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So this 2 and this 2 and this 4 will be 2 kilo ohm. So this will be 2000 VO. Now here we can apply KVL. Or directly, let's say this is current I1. What we have to find? We have to find VO using source transformation. So I1 is equal to 3 milliampere. I1 is equal to 3 milliampere because this is a independent current source. So VO is equal to 1 kilo ohm into I1. So this will be 1000 into I1 is 3 into 10 raised to minus 3. So this will be 1000 into 3 into 10 raised to minus 3. This will be 3 volts. Therefore VO is equal to 3 volt. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.